What is good, YouTube? Guess what, you guys? I'm gonna be picking up a snowblower. If you guys didn't know, this Sunday, January 5th, and Monday, January 6th, there's gonna be a giant snowstorm coming through. I'm not quite sure how many inches we're gonna get, but they say we're gonna get 8 to 12, if not 15 inches of snow. So I think right now is the best time to capitalize on getting a snowblower and snow blowing some driveways. So if you guys live in a winter climate area where you get snow all the time, for sure this is gonna be the move, y'all. So I'm getting ready to pick up this snowblower, and it's a Craftsman, so hopefully it's gonna be pretty good. Craftsman's always been pretty good quality. So yeah, I'll let you guys know once I get there, and I gotta go pick up some winter gear for all that snow we're gonna be messing with. All right, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, I'm almost at the house. Almost there, a couple minutes away. Can't wait to see what this snowblower got in store for us, man. All right, you guys. So things have went south a little bit, but I did get the snowblower. This is a new day, by the way. It's the whole next day. Here's this brand new snowblower right here, man. Just lightly used, supposedly. We don't get that much snow, so I'm sure it is lightly used. But yeah, here's the turning to blow the snow whichever way. Here's my gears. This is my auger control. This is my drive control. My key switch, primer. My choke. Electric start. And I could go fast or slow. Max 10% ethanol, so this uses regular gas, and this uses 5W30 oil. So this is all set. This is all good to go. Let me see if I can start it real quick. Starts right up. Pretty simple. Let me put this in reverse, y'all. Lift up, and then you push the handle down. Like that, ready to roll, ready to go. Excited, y'all. I'm excited. It's a two-stage snowblower. Gotta get things going, man. Gotta get things going. But yeah, oh yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. When I was getting this snowblower and hauling some tree limbs, this tire it's okay, but it's gonna need some air, I think. It looks like it's low. But then on this side right here, freaking tire popped, man. I think the seal broke. The seal had broken on it. I hope the tire is still okay, and I could just put it back on the rim. but the tire seal broke, and that's why it popped. So luckily, I got lucky though. I was going down the street, and all I had to do is make 2 more turns before I get to my house, and that's when it just popped. And I started looking behind me, and my trailer's just it was just hopping up and down. I'm like, ah, shit, tire popped. But yep, it's freaking cold outside, y'all. It's freaking cold, so I'm gonna close the garage, and then I'll get back to work, and gotta get prepared for the snow, winter cold. Hey, Cassie. You're not going back outside, Cassie. You stay out there for way too long. You have too much fun in the cold, Cassie. Alright, y'all. Got the brand new tire. Went to Tractor Supply TSC. And this tire right here should fit real easily. And this is exact same tire, so exact same size tire. Yep, it'll fit. Alright, I'm gonna raise this baby up and then take these lugs off, which look like just regular bolts, or regular nuts. Yeah, these are just regular nuts. Alright, hopefully they're not a pain in the ass to take off. They should be easy, and hopefully they're not stripped either, because it's definitely looking weathered. Alright, y'all, see y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna open the garage. Yes. 21. Yeah, that one came off with ease. I don't know why this one's vibrating like that. Alright, all the lugs are off. This tire still looks good, I think. I just think it popped the bead out on it. Slide off again on me. It's gonna slide off again on me. Oh my god. Fuck this, bro. I swear. Some bullshit. So full. Stop, Cassie. Stop. Alright, y'all, so I got 8 sandbags. I got 6 new sandbags. The 2 that I had previously from last year. But I got 6 new sandbags. That's 360 pounds plus 120. That'd be 480 pounds. No. Yeah, we show. Yeah, 480 pounds. So yeah, I got 480 pounds of weight in the back of my truck. I should not be sliding nowhere with my truck, so I should be all good. I'm about to put this up in an organized position, and I'm gonna be ready for the snow day tomorrow. All right, peace out.